That is what is represented in the diagram here. You can see you have a basic amplifier and the output you have. And from the output, a portion of output is taken and it is given through a feedback network and fed again to the input. And you have an amplitude limiter. So this circuit here it is shown externally, but actually it is inside your amplifier itself. Your basic common emitter amplifier has this circuit internally. So whenever some values go out of range, the amplifier will limit that value to a fixed range. Okay, the amplifier will limit the values to the fixed range. So the condition A beta equal to 1 gives an upper bound on what should be the condition for sustained oscillations. But in practice, you will always ensure that the mod A beta will be slightly greater than 1 or slightly less than 1. It will not be exactly equal to 1. It is very difficult to maintain this value mod A beta equal to 1. In practice, it will be slightly more than 1. It will be 1.01 or it will be slightly less than 1. You will have 0.99. It is very difficult to exactly make mod A beta equal to 1 at a particular frequency of operation. So in all practical circuits, generally we don't go for the lesser value, we always go for the greater value. So mod A beta will be slightly greater than 1, so that the amplitude oscillations will continue to increase without limit. Initially, the oscillations have to grow, right? So if you choose a lesser value mod A beta less than 1, then the oscillations will not grow properly. So for the oscillations to grow properly initially, the general consideration what we have in all practical circuits is we'll ensure that mod A beta is slightly more than unity. But such an increase in amplitude is limited by the onset of nonlinearity. Again, I said even though you set mod A beta greater than 1, the amplitude starts growing. After a particular point, it cannot grow. It becomes constant. That is because of the nonlinear effects of the device. So it will not be growing always. So after this point, you get constant wave output from your oscillator. Okay, so the time where it becomes constant and the time where it starts growing, everything is decided by the amplifier characteristics. So in this circuit, A beta is larger than 1, which is used for positive feedback, and you can see as the oscillations are growing exponentially till a particular point.